swipe upward on the center display or tap the Climate button to enter the Climate Settings interface. You can turn the climate on or off through the switch button. On the left side is the area for mode settings, where you can select between the 4 modes, either individually or in combination. In the center part is the area for airflow direction setting, where you can switch between different directions or select multiple directions simultaneously. By tapping the air circulation icon, you can switch the air circulation in the vehicle to internal, automatic, external, as required. The Sync/Unsync button is used to toggle the climate settings for the driver and the front passenger between sync and unsync operation, which can also be done while adjusting the temperatures. Tap the Settings button to enter the Climate Settings interface, where you can change settings for other climate functions.